Hello once again, dear people of the internet and the world, and welcome to another video here on the channel. It's voting time again, as it's been the last 10 videos or so. First I'm going to start with a cool thing I found out yesterday. If you watched the last video, we were able to hack into the... I think it was the last video, or maybe 2 videos ago. Anyways, check out some of the videos before. We were able to hack into the Raspberry Pi that is installed in the boat via sneaking in through the modem out there and everything with the Wi-Fi and so. And we managed to get it's called SSH access, like root access to the Pi basically. And what I found out with that is that I used the, let's see here, I'm going to start a screen record. Yeah, so what I found out was that using the same username and the same password as we did to get SSH access, we can also connect to the MQTT now. I just tried that just for fun to see if it would work with the same username and password. We tried that before. I opened up ports on the modem so we should be able to remote access it from home, and now it works with the root username and the secret password that I used to get SSH access. So look at this, we are directly live on the boat. Yeah, this is awesome. Let's see if I can show you something that looks cool. Let's go DC. Oh, sorry. Yeah, voltage 11.69 volts, and that's the same as I can read on my other screen here. The only thing is that you need to send a keep alive message with MQTT. So what I've been planning to do before was to have, instead of having everything going into, always logging into the Victron VRM portal online and looking at all the statistics there, I would like to be able to like direct connect, because now it goes from the boat, it goes up to Victron's cloud thingy there, and we connect from home up to the cloud and get information like this. What we can do now is go directly from the boat with MQTT server and just connect directly and get access, but it's something called a keep alive message. You get MQTT server going all the time, because whenever I log out of the VRM cloud portal and I connect directly to the MQTT, suddenly data stops flowing because we're not sending a keep alive message. Check out MQTT if you want to know more about that. I'm such a newbie at it, but I understand that you need to like keep sending questions all the time, like hello, send me information, and it sends that back to the questionnaire that wants information from the server. Yeah, but this is really cool. So now we are able to just directly connect to the MQTT server on the boat and get cool stuff. So maybe in a coming video here, maybe the next one or so, or maybe this one, we'll see how much time I have, we can start like sending keep alive messages directly to the boat, getting data back, and then putting it up on Home Assistant on my screens, like the one I have far in the back here. This guy, my secret smart mirror. Oh yeah, and it's really bad at it just shows a mirror, I guess. Anyways, maybe you can see some statistics and stuff here. We can send data directly to Home Assistant, so you can put up like battery status and GPS position and what have you from the boat directly into my home, so we don't have to log into the VRM portal. That's cool. So another thing we're going to do, hopefully today, I think I have time for that, is to go down to the boat and give the engine some love. I bought some new spark plugs, which we're going to install. Because it's a 2-stroke engine, and it's always a little bit, it's coughing a little bit of like it's not really igniting on all 3 cylinders. So I got 3 new spark plugs. We're gonna see if that makes a little bit of a difference. I haven't done any major overhaul on the engine ever actually since we bought it. Just switched out some filters and stuff, but there's not much runtime on the boat, on the engine. You can count the hours. It's below 100 hours the last couple of years here, so it's not much runtime on the engine. But still it needs some love and oil change and everything. So yeah, that's one thing we're gonna do. And down to the boat, and the panels, they survived a full day and night out on the boat in not so rough conditions, but still like normal conditions. So yeah, looking pretty good. They are, yeah, they're here. They're still attached. That's good. Starting to pull in some power, I guess, now because the sun is nice today. It's almost no clouds. Actually, no clouds at all, as far as I can see. So that's good. So we're gonna make some power today, and yeah, we are gonna give this gray dude some loving, the engine. And yeah, short story about why it is gray, because I've never seen another. I've seen like, or at least not gray painted as the one we have. They're usually like black or like some other type of like metal gray, but this is just gray color. And when we bought the boat, the couple who owned it, they said that this was the best way to protect the engine from getting stolen, because nobody wants to buy a stolen engine that's painted as ugly as this one. So yeah, I've just been keeping it like that, and nobody has stolen the engine, so that's probably a good sign. Yeah, 30 spark plugs. This is what a new one should look like. New one. Yeah, so I'm saving the old spark plugs just in case. It's good to have them on the boat in case one of the new ones break for some reason, or yeah, because I know the old ones, they still work, but yeah, it's always nice with new things. Okay, there we go. Yeah, let's see if it makes a difference. Okay, let's see how quick it starts. I haven't started it for a week almost, so it's probably not that much fuel back in there. And you have to like prime it a little bit first, but let's see what happens. Sounds good. Yeah, nice. That's nice. And you got some loving today. And today will be the day that we install the other Votronic standby charger for the fridge battery, which is located down here. I have some... Whoa, that's my head. I do have some runs going from the electrical system up in the front of the boat and over to these guys here with outlets, but I am as I'm planning, I'm thinking a little bit for the future here. I might want to have or I'm going to have an outlet back here also for phone charging and stuff like that. I am thinking though we might make 2 runs, because we're gonna have one for outlets which will be switched on over here. And so maybe 1 run for the outlets and then another run for the fridge, because the fridge is going to run on a separate system. So the fridge is going to be this is always going to be on standby, so we don't need to flip a switch. The outlets, to turn on the outlets, I need to flip a switch back here, and that wouldn't do it. We can't have the fridge on the same, of course. So might have to do 2 rounds. We'll start with the first run today for the fridge. I think that's best. Yeah. Okay, so now cables are running from the electrical housing all the way across here and behind the table back here. And yeah, I didn't have enough connectors mounting thingies here, so the cable are just hanging a little bit loose right now, but that's going to be fixed. I'm going to go and buy some new of these, and that's a quick fix. I have not really figured out how we're going to run from up here to down here where the battery is located. This battery is going to get a box, by the way. I know it's liquid in this battery with lead and stuff, so for now it's just a little bit protected by this insulation thingy here. But anyways, cables are gonna go down. I think I might, if I'm able to, see where my finger is pointing, I might run the cables on the back down here and just down this corner here, and maybe make a little hole here and punch through and go in, and then we have power back here, which would be nice. And I made some nasty connections here on the terminals. I'm gonna buy some proper terminal connectors also, so that's on my shopping list. But I just plugged this in case we get a lot of power. Right now the battery is not there's not enough in the auxiliary battery to spill over on either the starter battery or this extra battery, but there might be. I might be gone for a few days working here, so if there's a lot of sun and we charge up the auxiliary accessory battery full, then it might spill over to the rest of the battery. So yeah, nice little installation here. Yeah, so got some things done today. New spark plugs and this thing connected here. Very good. Yeah, now I need to go home. Okay guys, there's one more thing just before I go home that I want to try, and it's this little guy here. The weather yesterday, I thought it was going to be rain and thunder. I was going to have this on the roof and filming the thunder and everything, but no. So I still want to try it today. So we're going to hook up, we're going to insert the this little camera in here and just have a check under the boat, see what it looks like, see how far I can dip down my arm, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, so it's in here now, and I'm starting to record here. I wonder what's gonna happen. Okay, let's lower it down in the water and yeah, see. So I'm holding two cameras now here. I hope this is gonna be waterproof. Let's just make a quick dip and see what happens. Looks like no water entered. Yeah, cool. I can't get my arm any deeper in the water here. Yeah, it seems tight. Cool. Okay, so I am back on the camera that we made the sea trials on here, and it looks okay. There wasn't any water, any spill inside of the chamber here. So yeah, might use this little thing with this nasty little top on. I'm gonna use it this summer too. Yeah, when we're out swimming and boating and filming thunder. I want to film some thunder with it, have it out in the rain. That would be nice. Yes, I hope you liked this video, and I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned everybody, and have a super awesome day. Bye bye.